Alright guys, let's talk about this. Ecomi crypto, Omi coin, Veve, how to buy Omi. All explained by your friendly neighborhood software engineer. So this is more of a history lesson than anything because right now Ecomi now is very different from what I'm going to discuss, which is based on the white paper that was made in 2018. But what we have seen is that Ecomi has been pumping like crazy and it's been trending on the market. So if you want to know about where Ecomi comes from and what I think about it, then please, I encourage you to watch through this entire video because what we're going to do is we're going to talk about what is Ecomi, Ecomi wallet, Ecomi collect, and we're going to discuss where the value of Ecomi comes from and what staking does and all that stuff. So if you're interested in investing with Ecomi, then please do watch this video before you do so. It might enlighten you. Other than that, we have a lot to cover, so if you haven't already, please be sure to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and let's jump into Ecomi. So the first thing we have to discuss is what is Ecomi. The aim of Ecomi is to make the world's best platform to purchase, protect, and collect premium digital collectibles using distributed ledger technology. And by digital collectibles, I mean NFTs. So Ecomi really consists of two elements. One is the Ecomi Collect ecosystem, and two is the Ecomi Secure Storage Wallet. So Ecomi Collect is a platform and application that allows you to buy, sell, and trade premium licensed digital collectibles, NFTs, and other virtual related goods. The app will let you browse through different brands and categories to view and purchase digital goods. You can display your digital collectibles, your NFTs, in a personal showroom and create custom scenes with digital collectibles and props. Now they're also going to give you a social feed where you can share your collectibles, your showrooms, and your scenes with the entire Ecomi community. So anyways, it's basically like creating your own art museum. So I'm showing you guys pretty much what a showroom looks like. So it really looks like you can place your NFTs anywhere in real life. You could pinch them to scale them up or scale them down apparently. We'll talk more about that later, but they let you open a vault where it shows you pretty much what collectibles you have, and you can apparently make them smaller or bigger to make them fit according to how you would like it. So it's a pretty cool thing, but it's more like an art museum. So I would say it's like Pokemon Go, but you're only looking at things. So transactions on Ecomi Collect are done with the OMI token, OMI. That is used to buy digital collectibles or NFTs, or you can stake them for access to premium features that Ecomi will release later on. So as I'll discuss it later, I'm gonna give you the reasons why I don't really like Ecomi that much, even though it's pumping and a lot of people are going in on Ecomi. They're going all in. I have a friend who is investing big into Ecomi because he believes in it so much, but I'm not sure if he read the white paper, because after reading the white paper, I thought, I'm not sure if this is a good idea. But if you're invested in Ecomi, let me know in the comments below what you think. What made you invest into Ecomi, and what do you see as the vision of Ecomi with all the token metrics that they've explained in the white paper? Like this Reddit post says, always do your own research, but Ecomi has partnered with NFL, DC Comics, Capcom, Star Trek, and etc., which made it huge. This is why everybody is going hot into Ecomi. Alright, now let's talk about the Secure Wallet. So the Secure Wallet is a wireless credit card sized wallet, which is a cold hardware wallet, which means it's not connected to the internet, and that will prevent your assets from being hacked and stolen from you. Now you can interact with the wallet via their free Google app or iOS app, which will let you send and receive crypto. So if you guys go to securewallet.shop, this is Ecomi's site where they are introducing or letting you buy the Secure Wallet. This is how it looks like now. It looks pretty cool, and it's like credit card size, so you can fit it into your wallet, I guess, but why would you ever carry that anywhere with you? Because it holds all your assets most likely. But basically what is cool about it that I noticed is that, of course, it's offline storage and it holds 1,000 or plus digital assets. I don't know if that's true because I read somewhere that they are still expanding on their tokens, so that might be false advertising. There's NFT support, which I don't think other cold wallets offer, which is a competitive advantage for the Secure Wallet. So if you go to the shop, it looks like it can right now manage your Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, and that's pretty much it. And it costs $199. So looks like right now it's unavailable, so I can't get it. But I would rather just use the ledger right now until this is pretty much fleshed out and we have some more data on how good this wallet is. Alright, now let's talk about how does Ecomi grow in value. So how it grows in value is like any other blockchain. It grows with the network effect. The more users, the more scarce a Ecomi digital collectible is or NFT is, then the more people will likely want it. Think of it like Bitcoin. There's only 21 million Bitcoin and like 4 million of that is lost. So really there's only 18 million Bitcoin and a lot of people want it. And because a lot of people want it and because the supply is so scarce, that is why the price of Bitcoin is going so high. So it looks like the Ecomi creators are looking for that same kind of network effect. And the more people means the more liquidity of the OMI token. Also, that'll also mean more staked OMI tokens and increased activity and purchases of new releases from Ecomi, which will drive further adoption of the platform. So what they're trying to do is they're trying to make it a platform of wealth, because where wealth is, wealth attracts. Wherever the money is, more money will flow to that place. That's how the world works. And you can see clear examples of this from Bitcoin and Tesla. They're both valuable. When people start pumping money into that, more people want to put their money in there. It's just people are like lemons. They just follow where everything goes, and the same can be said about money. Alright, so here's the thing. To handle any sort of trades, OMI tokens have to be used. And there's only a max supply of 750 billion OMI tokens. You can get these OMI tokens from Bitforex and BitMax. And guys, if you don't already know, if you want to find out where a place is trading it, because a lot of people ask me where can I find this coin, just go to coingecko.com/Ecomi and then go to Ecomi and go all the way to the bottom, and it shows you all the exchanges which actually trades Ecomi or any other coin that you're interested in. So now you can't say, Donald, where can I find this coin? Because you know exactly where to go look. Alright, so what we know so far is that Ecomi is a marketplace for trading digital collectibles or NFTs. It's also a cross-platform, that is, it's a mobile and desktop and web application that's used for storage and delivery of your digital collectibles or NFTs. And remember, because it's an NFT, that means it is automatically authentic, it is automatically scarce based on how many was created, and ownership is all transparent because you can see all that on the blockchain. So let's ask, why would you use this? Ecomi Collect is deployed on the GoChain network, which does 1300 transactions per second or more. Compare that to Ethereum's 13 to 30 transactions per second. Which one is better? So that makes trading tokens on Ecomi much cheaper. And since GoChain is a fork of the Ethereum protocol, it is 100% compatible with Ethereum smart contracts. Here's the shifty thing though. After minting an NFT, ownership is sent to an address that is assigned to Ecomi for security and management on behalf of the owner. So what it sounds like to me is that Ecomi maintains ownership of your NFT, and it says that it does that because this is common practice among all digital exchange platforms. Now, I am not that well known into NFTs yet, so someone will have to fact check me on this. So Ecomi Collect will manage and maintain centralized ownership of NFTs that the users will buy, sell, and trade. So I'm new to Ecomi, but that sounds to me like Ecomi owns the NFT for you. And you know how they say it's not your keys, it's not your cryptos? I think that can be applied here. If they are saying what I think I'm thinking, that means that I could say something like, if you don't have your keys, it's not your NFT. That means I could say something like, if you create on Ecomi, that means that you don't have ownership of the NFT. Is that what they're saying? Alright, let's talk about how the tokens work. So it looks like users will be able to use in-app purchases with their credit card and debit cards to purchase an amount of OMI tokens, which will then be used to purchase an NFT. And this happens all in the background. So I think they're the first type of project to be able to do this, or are doing this. This will allow users to buy in fiat like US dollars, and that'll make the price fluctuations of the OMI tokens completely irrelevant, because the tokens that they buy will immediately be used to purchase the NFT, and then the tokens that are used to purchase the NFTs will actually be burned. So we are in a deflationary model. Those tokens are sent to a smart contract and they will never be seen again. So they will be buried, they will be in limbo. Alright, let's talk about what staking gives you when you stake OMI. So staking OMI doesn't give you more OMI tokens like normal staking does. It gives you access to their Master Collector program, which offers benefits like early access to collectibles, limited edition collectibles, bonus OMI tokens, and things like that. So it's not completely passive income. It sounds like a complete shoot in the dark because you're gonna get what they want you to give you. Alright, are you back, TV? You know I have like some serious ADD and perfectionist issues. Okay, I think we're back. So in this Master Collection program, there are actually levels. So I think the higher level you are, the better things you get. But the ways of leveling up is basically in-app activities, which means that you are on the app all the time. You're playing the in-app games that Ecomi is going to release. Or you could use your money and flaunt your money and buy your levels, buy your level ups. So that's what they said in the white paper, and I'm not a fan of this, but I'm wondering if it changed in 2021. because it seems very biased towards the wealthy. That means if you're wealthy, then you're gonna be better off, which leaves a very poor taste on my tongue because that doesn't really sound like decentralization to me. So my opinion, I know a lot of people are getting into Omi and they can do what they want, but for me, I just don't feel comfortable knowing what I know after reading the white paper and how they are going about things. And if you look at the token metrics, actually 80% of the tokens, and it's out again, 80% of the tokens are owned by the creators of Omi. So they have some direct relationship to Omi, and only 20% is released to the public or the private sector. So that doesn't really sit right with me either. So that's why at this time I am not investing into Ecomi. But if you're an Ecomi fan, then please prove me wrong. Let me know in the comments below what I'm missing, because I'm sure I'm missing a lot because this is something that is completely new to me and I just read the white paper. So please fill me in, fill in the community on what we're missing out on, what this video is missing, so we can make some better judgments and decisions for our own investments thanks to you and your contributions. Alright guys, other than that, I'm gonna go ape on my TV, and if you haven't already, please be sure to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, check out these other videos on cryptocurrencies and passive income, and I'll see you guys again next time. Peace.